Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start making your own scripts without any programming knowledge using Claude AI. So first step you want to do is go to Claude AI and then you should be greeted by this landing page. So I've got a folder here on my desktop with a bunch of PDFs of research papers, and as you can see, they don't really follow any specific format and they aren't named in a organized way. So I want to change that. I want to make a script that will automatically rename all the files in this folder according to its year of publishing and its author. So there's a lot, and doing this manually would take a good chunk of time, and I want to speed that process up. So let's go over to Claude and then let's give it our prompt. So let's say I have a folder of PDFs of research papers. I want you to make a runnable Python script that automatically rename files in the folder it's placed in. I want it to follow following format: year of publishing dash title of paper. That looks good. I want to be able to run it in one click, so bundle the dependencies necessary. I'm just gonna give it a quick double check. Folder of PDFs of research papers. I want you to make a runnable Python script that automatically renames the files in the folder it's placed in. I want it to follow the following format. Let's say PDF files in the folder it's placed in. I want to be able to run it in one click, so bundle the dependencies necessary. It looks good. Let's hit send. Then let's give Claude a minute or two to write the script out for us. There we go. So we can watch it write the script in real time, which is really cool. There we go. And there's our finished product. So drop the rename papers.py into folder with your PDFs and run it. Blah, 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 blah. And so let's click download by clicking on this smaller arrow. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go to my downloads folder. Gonna copy that file. Gonna go to my research papers folder. Drop it in. Hit enter on my keyboard. And there we go, the script is running, and so far it's converting all of my papers with no errors. Really amazing how well Claude is able to make stuff like this. So we can see done, 38 renamed, 0 skipped, and 0 errors. Press enter to exit, and our folder is now very organized. So that's how you can make a working and runnable Python script in seconds or minutes using Claude. I hope I was able to teach you something new, and thank you for watching.